Hello everyone, Nick here with freedomlifebusiness.com. Hope this week is a good one for you. So today, I wanted to share several experiences that I have personally had with crypto and the extensive research that I have done and came up with what could be beneficial to you in the event that you get approached by someone offering you the opportunity to invest into crypto, okay? I'm here to talk about the dangerous world of crypto scams. Crypto is a rapidly evolving, highly popular investment asset, and unfortunately, it has attracted the attention of a lot of unscrupulous folks. Today, we're going to talk about crypto scams and how you can avoid them. They offer, for example, 2% a week guaranteed. First of all, always remember that absolutely nobody can guarantee you consistent returns on any asset. If someone promises you high returns with no risk, be very suspicious. It could be a Ponzi scheme where early investors may need to be paid off with funds that you and others are investing. Be especially wary if someone tries to pressure you or talk you into investing quickly, as this is a classic sign of fraud. They may even offer bonuses or discount to persuade you to invest right away. Another way to spot a crypto scam is to carefully research the platform, app, or website before you invest. A legitimate business should have a good online presence that is easy to find. Don't forget to read the fine prints as well. That way, you can verify things and make sure, such as withdrawal fees, any documentation that may be required, and activities and terms that are allowed or not allowed. It's also important to never invest more than you could afford to lose. While there are legitimate opportunities out there, crypto is still a high-risk asset, and you should always proceed with caution. Finally, if something doesn't feel right, don't do it. Trust your gut instinct if you feel uneasy about investing in any particular asset. There are plenty of legitimate opportunities out there, and there's no rush. In conclusion, always remember that if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Be suspicious of unrealistic promises, and you have to research platforms carefully before you invest. Use your common sense and don't be afraid to walk away if something doesn't feel right. If you want to see what we do and be part of something really special and earn substantially and legitimately in a passive way online by learning proven marketing methods and strategies, and if you are willing to put in the time and effort and be rewarded, go to my website above here, freedomlifebusiness.com, and opt in to receive my daily newsletters for nothing. Looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Remember to always go for your dreams and always stay healthy, my friends. God bless, and bye for now.